Hello dear friends, Assalamu alaikum again. We are going to learn a few more things in Microsoft Excel, and this is going to be the second video of the series adding numbers. So the best way is to start with some example. So I'm going to repeat a few things, but first let's make it a bit proper this time. I'm going to select the first few cells in the first row, and I'm going to click the merge and center. Here I'm going to write the name or title what I'm going to make. This is ABC shooting club. Change the font size, change the color if you like. Now this is the first column, serial number, player name, score in round 1, score in round 2, and score in round 3, total score, and status. You will see that what the status is about. First let me make them centralized and font size is increased a bit. Then let's give it some color, and this one need to be a little wider. Now look at these options carefully. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to select these 3 cells, take my mouse pointer at the right corner, and then drag it. I have 10 players, for example. Okay, now I would like to change its font style and its color and borders and all these things, so I click the left mouse button after selecting this area, and then I'm going to click the format cells. Here I can change its border style, outline, and inside I'm going to fill it with some color, and alignment, let's make it center. Okay, font size need to be a little bigger. Okay, let's make it 14. Player name is A, B, C, D, E, F, and so on. Okay, total score equal to, then I'm not going to write C3 plus D3 plus E3 this time. I'm going to write it like that's equal to sum. Then my range is from C3 to E3. Okay, and then press enter. Then take your mouse pointer to the right corner and drag it for all these 10 players. Now in first round this person got 3 score, and this one made 4, and this one like 5. So for B, let's say this is B, the 12, and this one is 3, this one is 6. Okay, now I want to write the status for these players, qualified or not qualified. The player who got more than 10 score in all 3 rounds is going to be considered qualified, otherwise he is not qualified. So I'm going to write a little logical formula here. Is equal to if, then and, then like I said, C3 must be greater than or equal to 10, D3 must be greater than or equal to 10, and E3 must be greater than or equal to 10. If this condition is true, then the player is qualified. Otherwise not qualified, and then you have to close the bracket and press enter key. Now drag this one, same like you did for the total score. All of them are not qualified because they must get more than 10 score to be considered qualified. Let's make this 12, make this 10, and make this 11. So this one is qualified now. This one is getting 14 in the second round and 16 in the third round. This is going to make him qualified as well. So I hope you understand this one. It was easy, and it's quite helpful if you are arranging some sort of games.